Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the moving average doubles indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the moving average doubles indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 27 different strategies with a total of 6 winners. We've also tested a total of 400 indicators with a total of 163 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 163 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the moving average doubles indicator. And you can see it here on screen. So if we zoom back a little bit here, you can see this really cool geometric style ribbon that this indicator creates. And the setup on this is relatively easy. So basically what we're going to do is we are going to look for price action to break out. Consider this ribbon to be kind of like a cloud, if you will, kind of like think of like the Ichimoku. Then what we're looking for is price action to break out above the cloud, like it does right here, or for price action to break out below the cloud, like it does here, if I could speak. All right, so we're looking for a break of it to break out above the cloud or below the cloud, and when it breaks out above, we're going to go long. When it breaks out below, we're going to go short. Pretty simple setup, like I said, not much to it other than that. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. So as we watch it here, this is a valid breakout to the upside right there. And so like I said, we're looking for price action to come down into the moving average ribbon and then to break out to the upside or to the downside. Let's measure this out and see what we got here. So it looks like it just barely stays within the stop and just barely gets to take profit there, and then starts to pull back down. All right, then we get another break right there to the upside again. This one though, we're gonna get stopped out as we get this heavy pullback right here that pulls back down into the cloud. Go ahead and continue on with it here, and you can see how the ribbon's starting to fold over on itself. It's a pretty good indication that we are moving to the downside. We do get a break to the downside right here. Looks like we got to take profit. We did. Go ahead and continue forward. We then get the break to the upside right there, and that one also is going to get us to take profit. Be mindful here as we get these little breakouts, these little like micro breakouts here. Get a long right there. That one is going to get stopped out. Then we get another one right here. Looks like though this one gets us to take profit. It does. And we will continue on here. Get one right there. That one's going to get us to take profit, and then another one right here. Same deal. Those would have gotten us to take profit. We pull back into the cloud there. We break out on this one. Looks like we stay within the stop. We do, and we do also manage to get to take profit. We pick up a long right there. This looks like that one though probably got itself stopped out. It did. There, and another breakout there. Also sharp pullback getting stopped out. Then we get that one right there. Stays within the stop and gets to take profit. Then one more breakout there. Let's play this forward and see what it does. Looks like we may have gotten stopped out. Nope, we did not. And it does continue up there, getting us to take profit. So, all right, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, you sign up as a patron, then you'll get access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where, as I said at the beginning of the video, you will get access to a large list of indicators for the MT platforms, the winning indicators for the MT platforms. You will get access to the full list of winning indicators. Shows exactly which ones were winners and which ones were losers with their win rates. Recently, I've also put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so you'll get that list as well. Shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers. It has their win rates as well as links to go back and review those strategies, links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And another good thing is that our admins and regular members also are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. So there is a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. Okay, so back to the indicator here. Let's see what we get out of this. Sure, we're in focus. There we are. All right, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 winning trades. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria. An interesting indicator, to say the least. I wish it gave us more trades in 1 year's time, but it seemed like it did a reasonable job with a reasonable win rate. So this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.